Hey guys, welcome to Jun's Mini Garage. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a custom exhaust for your scale model car. For the exhaust pipes, I use 18 gauge electrical wires. But as you can see, they are way too soft and won't hold in shape. To make sure they can hold in shape, I will need to replace the soft wires with thicker ones. In this case, I use 18 gauge copper wires to do the job. I used a pair of wire strippers to strip part of the insulation and pull out the thin copper wires from the inside. And then replace them with the 18 gauge wires. Now I have my exhaust pipe, which is flexible, but I can still bend and shape it however I want it to be. For the muffler, I use some old TV antennas. They are very cheap and very easy to obtain. All you have to do is cut them to the desired lengths. I usually cut the muffler body and the tip to about 1.5 centimeters long. After cutting, I filed off the rough edges to make it look cleaner. I then hold the two pipes in place with poster putty, but you can use epoxy putty or super glue. I use poster putty because it's easier for me to adjust the length of the muffler tip. So now the muffler is done and you can test fit the whole thing on your model car before painting it. I drilled a hole into the resonator so the pipe can be mounted better, but you can just super glue it on there. After some test fitting and shaping, the exhaust is basically done. A final step would be to add some heat sinks to the surface by heating it up with a lighter, if you want that titanium look. I also apply minor weathering to make it look more realistic. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Feel free to subscribe for more future videos, and you're welcome to check out my other build videos on my channel as well.